drifting on the river, I guess.
That river's too slow. You'll be drifting forever.
You'll never make it back in time for lunch.
Oh, yes, we will.
We'll race you to the big tree.
A race? How exciting.
On your marks, get set, go!
Can we go faster, Little Bear?
You got to go over another.
I'm trying.
Make that 2 mountains.
What about that?
Come on, Margaret. Let's
Run!
Okay, here we go.
Look, we're already way ahead of them.
I knew that river was slow.
And I know a shortcut.
Who's a
Follow me.